Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell in Cocoa, Florida. We're waiting for a SpaceX launch. It's for the National Reconnaissance Office, whatever. It's to help our military and everything else. We got about a minute before launch here, getting ready to happen. It's going to Cape Canaveral Space Force Station 40.
MD is go for launch.
And with that final go for launch call, we're now less than 20 seconds away.
The booster will be landing back at Cape Canaveral Zone
8,
1.
7, 6,
She goes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition and lift off. Lift off with the Falcon.
Well, that wasn't much, folks. Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell in Cocoa, Florida. God bless you all, and God bless America.